How would you like to spend pennies, literally pennies, to get fresh leads and start making real money? And I'm not talking about something that, oh, the gurus have been doing this for years. I'm talking about real people who are just starting out, and there's real proof that these people are just starting out are actually making real money doing this. If that sounds interesting to you, I think you're going to love what I tell you about in my review of Bing Bang Profits AI Edition. Before we get to that, my name is Eric, and everybody knows the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can perform successfully. Well, maybe everybody kneel over here. Now, if you're new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you could skip ahead my jokes. They're stale, they're boring. I get it. I tell boring, stale jokes all the time. Look, you know what? They are what they are. And if you don't like my jokes, well, too bad. I'm going to tell them anyhow. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. We create software and info products, and they make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? You might ask, well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't buy a bunch of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Newman. You know, that guy is so annoying, along with Bart and that crazy guy who talks about loving crap and a few others that keep talking about crap all the time. Guys, nobody wants crap. Nobody. Stop it. Seriously. That's crazy with these people. It was seriously. Anyway, teach work here. If I like your project, we'll give a tip of my hat to the product. Great. If I don't, good luck next time. Now, I also do a live vision of all their mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. And I see Liz, she is such a sweetheart. She does say the same thing all the time. You think I'd be angry at her too, but we can get angry at such a sweet person. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so looking right now, this is the sales page for Bing Bang Profits from my friend Demetrius. Now, what I love about this, you can see here, these are some numbers, and you know, you're not seeing the usual things where it's only like tens of thousands of dollars, blah, 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 blah. You know, these are real people. Look at this, 30 bucks, $5.42. Okay, that's not a lot of money, all right? And so this person, it says right here, spent $7.40, okay, made $30.20, okay, total profit $22.80. That's real money, spending $7 and making a profit of $22. All right, here's another one. All right, again, these are not, you know, like massive numbers that you're going to see from the gurus who have a major list. These are people who are using the actual methods that you're going to learn here, and they're actually able to make real money from this. Okay, $147, $74, $125, 300 bucks basically in profits. Here's another one. Okay, $95. Okay. $5.42 the previous time, right? And again, this goes on and on and on with these types of things where these people are actually making money, putting in very small amounts of money. Now, Bing Bang Profits has been around for a while. It's basically, the idea is that you're going to advertise on Bing. You're going to use the software to pick the right keywords on Bing. But the big difference is going to be right now, they're going to use AI to help you pick better quality keywords and write better quality ads for you, so that you're going to be able to do even more stuff with this. Okay, basically the whole thing has been completely redone in order to be able to bring it up to the world of AI, of artificial intelligence. Now, of course, before we get to the members, I do want to tell you about my custom bonus. I put together a list of over 500 ChatGPT prompts specifically useful for marketers. Okay, so there's over 500 prompts that are going to be useful to marketers. I've done the research, I put together the list for you. That's going to be my bonus to you when you pick this up from me. Okay, now check out the price here, by the way, because this is really, really incredible. This one is obviously Demetrius showing his own numbers that he's able to make using this kind of method. All right, but you know, you can see that there's real numbers, and I'm talking about $27 one time in order to use this. There's no other fees involved. Okay, they do have a few upgrades. You don't need them in order to make this thing work. All right, and again, I'm going to give you over 500 ChatGPT prompts to use, which are designed for marketers that you can use immediately as my bonus when you pick this up. So let's check out the members area real quick. Here's the training for it. You see here, so it's going to show you exactly what's involved. I didn't bother going through it because I was just able to play with the software and actually make use of the software itself. All right, I'm going to show you step by step though exactly how to use the software. Here's the actual software. Okay, basically you're going to put in your ClickBank key. You'll need a ClickBank account. ClickBank accounts are free. And the nice thing about ClickBank, by the way, is that you don't have to wait for to be approved, like on Warrior Plus or JVZoo. You know, a lot of times you don't get approved right away. With ClickBank, you simply pick what you want to promote, and you're off to the races. You're done. Okay, and literally everything here is going to be done step by step for you. You're going to be able to actually use this stuff to be able to create your ad campaigns and start driving traffic immediately over to ClickBank offers, so you can start making money right away. This isn't the sort of thing where you got to build it up, you got to build an email list and whatnot. This is just going to be like boom, 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 you're done. And again, you're going to get my exclusive bonus of over 500 ChatGPT prompts specifically for marketers that nobody's going to give you this list. I've done the research to find them for you. You're going to have the entire list. It's just a Google Doc that you're going to be able to access. You're going to click the links and you're going to see all of the various prompts that I have found for you, all designed specifically for marketers. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you demand. This is really, really awesome. I do like this quite a little bit. This is going to make things so easy, especially if you've never made money online. This makes it easy to do so. Huge tip of my hat. The guy behind me, if he wasn't painting, he'd be giving it to his hat too. Grab this, you're going to love it.